Hi, I'm Michael McMahon and I'm the developer for Virtual Realization, and this is a quick progress update on how the development of the VR app is going so far. So I'm about 3-4 weeks into development and I've made a good bit of progress. I've made the first 3 subjects in VR and coded and created all the scenes for the experiences for the 3 subjects. So let's take a look at those now. So what exactly is virtual realization? Well, it's an immersive learning experience that's designed for students who might not be sure what a subject could be like at a further level of study. So examples are GCSEs and A-levels, and students in 3rd year or 4th and 5th year who aren't necessarily sure if they want to choose a subject that they haven't done before but might be more capable in that subject can get a feel for if they'd be more skillful in that placement. So it would apply to different STEM subjects and various creative subjects like the different arts, and would allow a student to put a VR headset on and get immersed in this world where they can study this subject while also having fun doing it. So the first few subjects that I've decided to make are chemistry, biology and physics, because the 3 sciences are some of the most popular A-level choices in the UK and allow people to get really good opportunities. So I started off with chemistry, and I wanted to make a pH scale game that was interactive and would allow a user to pick up some litmus paper and tap it against some different objects to see the pH scale and have it visualized in front of them. So they could not only get a feel for how the pH scale actually works, but would be able to see what the chemistry syllabus at GCSE and A-level is like, and similar stuff that they might have to study.
So in this physics section we have a planet diagram with different scaled models of each of the planets with cool textures applied to them. So this description setup will let you cycle through the planets, while the orbit diagram will let you lift them out of thin air and throw them around in 0 gravity. So you can see as you cycle between them you can pick up different ones, and you don't have to go in that order, you can throw them against each other if you really feel like it. They all have 0 gravity physics, but as you'll see in a second, I can reset the planets and I can also change them to have regular normal gravity. The biology experience focuses on DNA and how its unique structure can be used to differentiate between people. The experience challenges the user to match up the corresponding profile packs with the various DNA panels. Once the student clicks the Check Profiles button, the app will let them know which profiles they matched correctly.
So as you can obviously see, the app is still in its early development stages, but for the 3 to 4 week project mark, I think this is pretty good progress so far. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll keep you updated on the next progress.